This is our instant shower surface. We are doing surface wiring for instant shower. Your wire goes through up there into the ceiling and comes from the ceiling to your water heater switch here, and then all the way to the consumer. This is our consumer. It's an old model one. So this is a wire. I'm connecting it again to make sure it's tight. This one protects some person from getting electrocuted. So you make sure it's tight. So you connect here to the other earth wires. Like I said, is for protecting a person when you're taking a shower. Make sure it's tight. Then you take your other earth here. This is the earth that goes to the shower now. You connect it at this port here. This port is for earth wires. They are connected all together at the same place. This is connected, all of it. It doesn't matter where you fix it, as long as it is in that connector. After finishing that and making sure it's really tight, you connect your neutral. You lay your wire inside like that. So you choose one circuit breaker. In this area we choose the one with 32 amps. That is where you connect your live. That is where you connect your live. Like that. Then you take your neutral like that. You connect it to the neutral connector. Connect it to the neutral connector there. Like that. And again you make sure it's tight. And now our wiring is over. After arranging your wires correctly, then you switch your